Hello guys, in this video I want to teach you how you can repair your reward station. So this is my reward station now. It's no more, the air is no more working. As you can see, the air is no more working. If you try to on it, it's not going to blow air. So I want to jump past it. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to disconnect the two wires. One is here now. You have to disconnect it from here. Bring the camera from here. As you can see, disconnect it and cut the clip, and now put the two wire so that you can know that this pump is working. So after you confirm the machine that is working, the pumping machine is working, so now you calm down and follow my step as I'm fixing this. You understand? If you can follow it, you have to get it properly. You understand? So follow me. So you bring the camera here. You have to connect the connections from these wires. We are connecting the earth air while we are connecting the positive air. So this one in my hand, this is fan regulator. This is fan regulator. So this is what we are going to be using. We are not more using the panel again. We will be using the fan regulator to control the pumping machine. As you can see, it's not yet connected. So now the first step, you have to cut the two wires. One is coming, show the camera, bring the camera. One is coming here, one is coming here. You have to tighten it, and you will find another wire. Bring another wire here. So one is coming here. Here, as you can see. And now bring it back like this. So awesome. So now the second wire, you have to join it here to the positive side. As you can see it. So don't let this to confuse you. This red wire is coming here. The red wire is coming here, while the second wire is coming into this machine. You understand? This one is done like this, so it will now remain the second one. Bring the camera. This one is coming here, as you can see it. So this one here. You have to suit it. So it's not done. We have two wire here. One is coming to the arts. Meanwhile, the second wire is coming to the fan regulator, and you have to find extra wire to the positive here. That is all. So it's time for testing. Now time for testing. So we have already plugged it here. You're following my hand. We have already plugged it here. So we are bringing the camera back. So this is our regulator. Bring the camera. If you want to hit any of your phone or you want to service any phone, just on the machine. As you can see, the machine now is not working. Bring it here. It's not working. So as you can see, it's not blowing. It's not blowing. So let me on it. See? It's not blowing. It's not blowing. To know that it's not working, you can see it. Bring the camera closer. Can you see it? It's not working. It's not working. As you can see. So if you want to eye it, you can eye it here. Eye it there. Listen it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please.